In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your working hours in Calendly. Whether you're adjusting for a new schedule or just need some flexibility, this guide will help you do it in no time. Let's dive right in, starting from the Calendly homepage. First, you'll want to navigate to the main page of your Calendly account. This is your central hub for managing appointments and where you'll start when making changes to your schedule. Once you're there, look to the left side of your screen. You should see a tab labeled Availability. Go ahead and click on that. This section is specifically designed for setting up and customizing your schedule. After you've clicked on Availability, you'll see a page dedicated to your daily and weekly availability. Here, you can make adjustments to your working hours to fit your needs. The flexibility that Calendly offers is one of its standout features, so feel free to tweak these settings as often as you like. Next, you're going to find the specific time slots that you'd like to change. Let's say your current setup doesn't quite work anymore and you want to update those hours. Simply click on the time frames displayed and you'll be able to input the new hours that best suit your schedule. Whether you're extending your day or trimming it down, Calendly makes it easy to enter the exact times you want. And here's something really convenient. Once you update your preferred hours and hit save, there's no additional step required. Calendly automatically saves your changes. This means you can make quick edits without worrying about losing any of your work, allowing you to focus on more important tasks. Finally, take a moment to confirm that everything looks right. It's always a good idea to give your new schedule a once-over to ensure all your information is correct. If you've changed your mind or need to make another adjustment, simply repeat the steps we've covered. And that's it. You've successfully changed your working hours in Calendly. Remember, the whole process is designed to be straightforward and intuitive, so you can spend more time doing what you love and less time managing your calendar. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any other questions or need further assistance with Calendly, be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks. Have a great day and happy scheduling!